Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best laundry spinner is probably one of the most underrated yet incredibly useful appliances for any household, especially for those who dread the time-consuming and physically demanding task of wringing out clothes by hand after washing, offering a way to significantly reduce drying time and preserve the integrity of delicate fabrics by removing excess water efficiently and gently, making laundry day less of a chore and more of a breeze. Number 5. WonderWash Portable Washing Machine. Introducing the WonderWash, your perfect laundry solution for small spaces. It's a compact, non-electric washer designed for apartments, RVs, and more. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, this washer is built to last. Its stylish retro design fits perfectly in any dorm, condo, or even while camping. Featuring a new easy lid lever, operating it is easier than ever. This hand-powered machine is ideal for delicates and small loads. With its portable and lightweight design, you can easily place it on your countertop. It's the perfect non-electric alternative for your laundry needs. Available in fun retro colors, it adds a touch of style to your laundry routine. Plus, it comes with a 3-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like? If you're living in a small space like an apartment, dorm, or RV, and prefer a non-electric, hand-powered solution, this is for you. Its retro design adds a touch of style, and the 3-year warranty offers great peace of mind. It's perfect for washing small, frequent loads of delicates or diapers. What people say. The spin cycle is very effective, removing a significant amount of water from clothes. It's surprisingly quiet during operation, which is a big plus for a laundry appliance. The design is compact and doesn't take up too much space in my laundry room. Number 4. Giantex Portable Full Automatic Washer and Dryer Combo. Tired of laundry day hassles? Discover a compact, full automatic washing machine that fits perfectly into your busy life. Simply set it and forget it, freeing up your time for what matters most. Tailor your laundry experience with multiple wash programs and adjustable water levels. Easily select the perfect settings for any fabric type, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Don't let its small size fool you. This portable washer boasts a generous 8 pounds capacity, handling your laundry needs efficiently. Its lightweight design makes it easy to move wherever you need it. Say goodbye to manual draining. With a convenient built-in pump and drainage tube, this washer makes removing dirty water a breeze. It's the ideal choice for apartments and dorms. Enjoy hassle-free laundry with its user-friendly design. No complex installation needed, just plug it in and start washing. Experience ultimate convenience and reclaim your valuable time. We're here to help. If you encounter any issues, our dedicated customer service team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. What we like? For those who want a fully automatic laundry experience without a large appliance, this is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for apartments or dorms where space is limited but you still want to wash a decent load. The built-in pump makes drainage easy, freeing up your hands and your time. What people say. It is very easy to use and does a great job of removing excess water from clothes. The spinner is compact and doesn't take up much space in my laundry room. I love how much faster my clothes dry after using this spinner. Number 3. Laundry Turtle Large 26 Collapsible Laundry Basket. Tired of laundry day hassles? Introducing a revolutionary solution that makes transferring clothes from washer to dryer to drawers a breeze. Say goodbye to lost socks and dropped items forever. This innovative hamper simplifies your washing routine. Easily carry your clean clothes without losing a single item, even those pesky socks. Laundry day just got a whole lot easier. It's designed to work with any front-loading washer and dryer. Available in 2 sizes, you can choose the perfect fit for your machines. Just measure the internal dimensions and select the best option. Streamline your laundry routine with this time-saving basket. Simply place it inside your washer or dryer, rotate the drum, and gather all your clothes at once. It's incredibly simple. Crafted from premium, durable lycra material, this basket is built to last. Its foldable design allows for easy storage, ready to pop up whenever laundry time calls. Forget flimsy plastic baskets. Eliminate back strain with this clever design. It allows you to scoop up fallen laundry with ease, avoiding the need to bend down. Laundry collection has never been so comfortable. What we like. If you're tired of bending over to pick up laundry or losing socks between the washer and dryer, this is your solution. It streamlines the entire process from washing to drying to drawers. It's perfect for anyone looking to simplify their laundry routine and avoid back strain, fitting seamlessly with front-loading machines. What people say. It has made moving laundry from one place to the next so much easier. I especially love that I can slip it right into the dryer, spin the drum, and scoop the clothes straight onto the turtle. It saves time and keeps everything contained without clothes falling everywhere. When I'm done, it collapses down easily and does not take up much space. Works exactly as described. Makes removing laundry from dryer super easy and only one trip. No more dropping socks and things. I like it comes with a hanger also to attach to the dryer or wherever. The collapsible feature means it folds down to a fraction of its size, making it easy to store when not in use. It's perfect for carrying laundry around the house or to and from the laundry room. The sturdy design ensures it can handle large loads of laundry without losing its shape or support. Number 2. VCJ Portable Twin Tub Washing Machine. Introducing a powerful yet compact washing machine designed for your convenience. It offers a generous capacity for all your laundry needs. Featuring a twin tub design, you can wash and spin dry loads at the same time. This dual function saves you precious time and effort. With an upgraded long drain hose and a built-in pump, drainage is no longer a hassle. You can easily drain water to a higher position or any convenient spot. Control your wash and spin times with ease, and enjoy a space-saving design that requires no installation. It's perfect for apartments, RVs, and dorms. Just add clothes, water, set the timer, and press start. It's that simple to achieve clean, fresh-smelling laundry. Equipped with a powerful motor and a transparent window, you can monitor the washing and spinning process. It delivers efficient cleaning while saving water and freeing your hands. What we like. If you need to wash larger loads or want to speed up your laundry process, the twin tub design is a game changer. It allows you to wash and spin simultaneously, saving you significant time. This is ideal for apartments or dorms where you might be washing bigger items like jackets and jeans frequently. What people say. The spinner basket. I love it. The laundry does need to be put in the basket in such a way the basket is balanced, but it is easy to do. Pushing down on the clothes once they are in the basket helps a lot. If it is balanced and you let it go long enough, the clothes come out drier than they did with my electric washer. This one really spins well. It really gets almost all the water out. But it's the spinner that's the best because we all know when you hang laundry out to dry it takes forever unless you can spin them almost dry. This does that. The washer part is great but the spinner is gold. 1,300 revolutions per minute. Number 1. SUNHAIXIA Portable Mini Washing Machine, purple. Introducing our compact washing machine, designed for life on the go. It's lightweight and easy to carry, perfect for apartments, dorms, hotels, and even travel. Crafted with TPE and food-grade silicone, this washer prioritizes your family's health. It's a thoughtful gift for anyone seeking a cleaner lifestyle. Experience powerful cleaning with its imitation hand-scrubbing action. It effectively removes stains, making it ideal for small items like baby clothes and underwear. This mini washer is incredibly easy to store. Tuck it away neatly between shelves or under the bed, saving valuable space in your home. Enjoy a semi-automatic washing function that simplifies your laundry routine. Just fill it 2/3 with water for optimal results. Charging is a breeze with its USB functionality. A full charge takes about 4 to 6 hours, indicated by a blue light when complete. What we like. For travelers, campers, or those in very small living spaces who need to wash small items like underwear, baby clothes, or socks, this is incredibly convenient. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to carry and store. If you prioritize a quiet, energy-efficient wash for your personal items, this is a great option. What people say. The spin cycle is very effective, removing a significant amount of water from clothes. It's surprisingly quiet during operation, which is a big plus for a laundry appliance. The compact design makes it easy to store when not in use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.